Umemsikiza President Ruto and take this to the bank and take $1 million with it. Mwenyewe ameconfirm ya kwamba he never impeached Rigathi Gachagua.
Kumtoa Rigathi ofisini, mimi hakuna mahali nimeweka sahihi atolewe.
Ama Wamunyoro ama Rigiji. Ruto has said it. If you have listened to his interview, he has said he tried his best to protect Wamunyoro from being impeached. Ruto alikuwa ana protect Wamunyoro from being impeached mara kama mbili, na Wamunyoro amekuja kuimpichiwa by the MPs who did not like him and those who associated him with corruption. So Ruto was never involved in impeaching Wamunyoro. And I told you one day, and you insulted me. I told you Ruto has nothing to do with Wamunyoro impeachment. So Ruto has confirmed it. And listening to Ruto, you can see he loved Wamunyoro. It is the one who started to tell him he gonna make Ruto a one-term president. So Ruto had to let him go like he has to let JB Muturi go. So mimi nikiangalia naona hawa kina Wamunyoro, kina JB Muturi ni kama wako na kitu na Ruto. So I'm wondering why are they obsessed with the Ruto to go? Is it because he's a Kalenjin? Is it because he impeached them ama amewafuta kazi? I don't understand. But what I know, Ruto has nothing to do with the impeachment of Munyoro. Skiza your interview. You're gonna hear it for yourself. He has nothing to do.